What's up, Team T, baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? All right, let's get to the gravy here. We have a huge Fashion Nova try-on haul part 2, and I'm wearing one right now. I didn't want to show you this one yet, but don't look. You'll see it soon. Stay tuned, and thank you all so much for watching. Okay, so first of all, these boots are so cute. These are the cutest boots you've seen. OMG. So I paired it with this rompe. It is the cutest romper I have actually ever had. It's so comfortable and the material is amazing, and it's like a cafe mocha latte, chocolate latte. So I am feeling this color. I'm getting more tan, so it's looking nice and glazed on your girl. Definitely shows the gains back here. OMG. Do you ever feel like when you wear new clothes, you could just go conquer the world? Look at these boots. Oh my god. I'm so obsessed with these boots. They are suede and they have like a little chunk to them, and they're so comfortable. I can't even explain. But they're like almost like a way cuter version of Tim's to me. And the suede, this is like a girl who loves fashion's way to her heart is these boots. So I could pair these with so many different outfits. Even though it's 150 degrees here in Hawaii, I will still be out there on the island rocking these boots. So we will see. Oh my god. Sometimes you gotta hype yourself up, and this right here is my fit. Yes, you guys. Look how cute this is. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, first of all, not only is it super cute, it's the softest material I have ever felt. Like, it's so soft. It's almost like a cotton suede. Oh, I am obsessed with this. I seriously would wear this out. I would just make sure the cheeks are covered. It's very cheeky. Very cheeky. But I love, love, love the shorts, the crop top, the matching fit, because it's 100 degrees, like I said. But this is so cute. Oh my. See, when I try on clothes that make me happy, it makes you want to dance. Dude, when people ask me like who I like to hang out with or what I like, I'm just like, good fucking vibes, yo. Good vibes. I'm all about the good vibes. But look at these pantalones, mamacita. Okay, so I love these flare pants. Isn't this like a total like Hawaii look? Like these pants with the little crop top. I am obsessed with these pants. They're like a super soft suede cotton, and then this little cute crop top. By the way, some of y'all might not know unless you follow me on Instagram, which you should be at TBabyLove2, but your girl got a little belly button ring. I got a little belly button ring. It was time. I just felt like I've always wanted it, and now that I have this surgery here, I'm gonna get a dangling one to cover it up. But anyways, back to the outfit, because this is what we're here for. So These pants definitely are good back here for the games. Very, very cute. Let me just say, these are some of my favorites. And I don't know if I'd wear this shirt with it, but I would definitely wear a crop top with it. It's like when people ask me why I love fashion, because Fashion Nova fits. No, really, but because it's so freaking cute. Like, I'm obsessed with outfits. I just love outfits. I can wear so many different outfits and so many different pairs of things. Now these are a little bit big here. Jenny Craig lost some weight, but they always fit back here, you know, keep it nice and tight in the back. But this is such a perfect little tank top, crop top for here. Got a little bit of under boob going, it's okay. It ties here so you can make it as tight as you want, and goes around to the back. But I paired this together because, I mean, white with baby pink is just so cute. And then it buttons down on the side. But my god, what do you guys think about these? Huh? Oh my gosh. Okay. As you know, lately I've been obsessed with rompers. Look at this tie-dye. I told y'all, new clothes makes me real happy. But so cute and comfortable. Tie-dye is like in right now, you know. Not that I'm trying to be in with other people, but this is in. Definitely secures things back here. It's a little cheeky, so it came with this. Living here in Hawaii, we probably won't be wearing this unless it's at nighttime. But I feel like Superwoman. We saved the best for last. Okay, I think this one totally suits me because I am a lion slash tigre slash wild animal, you know. But how cute is cute? This right here is my favorite. I say that about all of them because it's just so hard to choose. But look at, oh my god. Definitely very cheeky. Quick spin. Alright, you know what? We're going to do a little tutorial on the back, and if YouTube decides to hate on your girl, go to my Patreon page because that's where I have the other ones. No, really, but it's very cheeky, and I love it. The thing that I don't like that YouTube does, or people that hate, oh my god, you show a little bit of your butt in, it's like crazy to me how if a female who is into fitness and has gains and works hard for her body, which is a sculpture, which is art to me, gets flagged. But then if you, no offense, are a stick figure, which I've mentioned this in the past, you're good to go. This makes sense. It's about to be a hot girl summer. I think summer's over, but not when you live here. So stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Now, this one right here, I love Lello. Ties right here, super cheeky. It's like a phone. And the top is supposed to be like the whole little underboob thing with the tie here, so you can, you know, it's good for itty bitty titty committee. Really cute though. Loving it. This is one of my other favorites. As you know, they're all my favorite, but I'll let y'all vote in the comments below. Which one's your favorite? So, yellow and pink are just so cute together, but And I don't know why every time I try on bathing suits, this is like a good pose. And then you do like this, which is like the I gotta pee dance. But it looks cute, right? Oh my god. Last but definitely not least, y'all. This one is, now this is my favorite, okay? I made up my mind. This is like, I feel, well, if you guys know me, you know I love jewelry, little diamonds, all that kind of good stuff. I feel like I'm going to prom in a bikini. This is the cutest thing I've seen. So this will be great for like a pool party, but rhinestones all over the tits. Got some down here, nice and cheap. So cute. Oh. And it goes with the new little belly ring, another jewel that I like, but oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I'm sweating. I don't know if it's because I'm happy or it's just really hot. But this right here is my favorite.